Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Sunday, so happy Sunday from Bangladesh. Today is Sunday, 27 February 2022, now morning time. This Sunday morning I am visiting a natural place. Friends, you can see behind my back natural place. Really very beautiful natural place, green natural place, all in all green, really green place. Friends, green nature my favorite place, so sometimes I travel with green nature area, green nature place. So friends, this Sunday morning I visiting this place, green place, natural place, green natural place. I walked here and I saw here some polluted garbage. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. Friends, you can see behind my back a green place. A few days ago I tried to cleaning this place. কিছুদিন অনেক আগে আমি জায়গাটি পরিষ্কার করেছিলাম, তো today I again try to cleaning this natural place, green place, because today I saw here some polluted plastic and polluted garbage. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে রবিবার সকালে আমি একটি সবুজ প্রকৃতির জায়গায় এসেছি। এখানে হাঁটার সময় আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা, প্লাস্টিক ইত্যাদি দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। বন্ধুরা, জায়গাটি সত্যিই প্রাকৃতিক। কিছুদিন আগে আমি জায়গাটি পরিষ্কার করেছিলাম, আজকে আমি আবার জায়গাটি পরিষ্কার করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা, পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this is a really very beautiful natural place, green place, my favorite place. Now I try to cleaning this place. Let's go friend, cleaning mission start now. Friends, and a bag in my hand. Now I try to cleaning this place. I saw here one old plastic, so I collected this old plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic is stuck in green grass. Old plastic, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I saw here one big old plastic. This is a really very bad plastic product. Friends, this is a really very beautiful natural place. I try to collect polluted plastic from this place. Friends, I like green nature, so sometimes I travel with green nature place and try to cleaning green nature place. Another plastic, small plastic here, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। আচ্ছা, another plastic here, another plastic. Friends, really very beautiful greenery, all in all beautiful place. Now I walking this natural place and try to cleaning this place, try to collect polluted garbage and plastic from this place. I saw another big plastic here. Friends, I saw another plastic here. Another big plastic here, big plastic. Friends, this plastic really very bad for our natural place, our nature. Another plastic is stuck in soils. Old plastic, very bad and polluted plastic, old plastic. saw another plastic here, another old plastic here. Friends, I saw another plastic here. I collected this plastic, old dirty plastic. Friends, you know, I always try to save the natural place. I think nature, green nature, natural place is wealth of our world. So finally I'll say, let's all save our nature and natural place, save our green nature, save our public place. I saw another plastic here, plastic, very bad plastic. I collected polluted plastic from this place. Another plastic here. Plastic and unused papers, very dirty. Dio, bheja plastic, shishir bheja. I saw unused papers here. Unused papers. আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। Another plastic here. Another plastic. I collected this plastic, really very beautiful nature, green nature. Friends, I saw here another big plastic, big and small plastic. Here big plastic, 1, 2, 3 plastic and unused paper here. This plastic is really very bad for our natural place. I collected many polluted plastic from this natural place, green place. এখান থেকে আমি সংগ্রহ করেছি প্লাস্টিকগুলো, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। I saw another newspaper plastic, newspaper plastic stuck in soil, মাটির নিচে আটকে ছিল এগুলো। সংগ্রহ করলাম, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। Friends, I saw another old plastic here. Plastic. I saw another plastic here. Old plastic, old and big. I collected this another 2 old plastic from this place. I saw another plastic here, big and old plastic. Another one, another plastic here. another small plastic here. Friends, I saw here another garbage. I saw here cigarette butts and unused plastic product, cigarette butts, another cigarette butts here. This cigarette butts. I saw here another plastic and cigarette packed. Friends, this cigarette packed and plastic stuck in soil, old plastic, মাটিতে আটকে ছিল plastic, old, very old plastic. Another unused cigarette packed. Friends, full in bag, bagটি প্রায় ভরে এসেছে. I collected many polluted plastic, garbage etc. old plastic from this natural place, from green place. Friends, my cleaning mission finished now. Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this bag. Now this bag threw in dustbin of our areas. Friends, I collected polluted plastic and garbage from this natural place. Friends, this our area's dustbin. This garbage bag threw in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friends. This was my nature cleaning method in Sunday morning,